accidentally saved a sticker in the sticker library and slapped the wrong sticker on someone's message? Don't panic. Here's how to delete it instantly. Open the Messages app on your iPhone and move to the conversation where the sticker is placed. Tap on the plus button next to the typing box and open Stickers. Switch from the Recently Used tab to the Sticker tab in the keyboard. Expand the view and hold the sticker you want to delete permanently. Tap on Delete from the pop-up menu. If it's not showing, force close the app or hard reboot your device and try again. Repeat the same steps and delete stickers one by one. To undo a sent sticker in iMessage, tap and hold the sticker and select Undo Send. You can only undo a send within 2 minutes, and both iPhones must be on iOS 16 or later. The chat will still show that a message was unsent. That's how you can delete a sticker on iMessage. If you have any questions, comment below. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.